Are orthopedic surgeons really stupid? Generally, anesthesiologists consider orthopedic surgeons as ignorant and constantly make fun of them, claiming that all they know to do is to use screws to fix bones and whine about that their cases are being unjustly postponed or canceled.
I'm very skilled with hammers and power drills. You are being obstructive by refusing to do my case.
The anesthesiologist also maintained that a typical orthopath's level of general medical knowledge is so poor they do not even know basic body functions beyond the bones.
There will be minimal blood loss, and she has a condition I have not seen before.
Which condition is that?
A systole. There is a fracture. I need to fix it.
Wait, it gets worse. Several comparisons of orthopedic surgeons to primates have been published where the medical literature suggests that to become an orthopedic surgeon, you just have to possess a brute force and be ignorant.
Where is the fracture?
The fracture is in the emergency department. I need to fix it.
This stereotypical image of a strong but stupid orthopedic surgeon has become omniprevalent among medical professionals, particularly anesthesiologists, who witness their stupidity on a daily basis. Eventually, the orthopedic surgeons and their families started to worry that the lack of intelligence may be even genetic and carries a risk of being passed even to their children by mere exposure to their orthopedic fathers.
There is a fracture. I need to fix it.
Eventually, the orthopedic surgeons got fed up with this notion and realized that the claims of orthopedic surgeons' strength and stupidity actually have not been studied or substantiated in the literature and therefore not scientifically proven. Okay, previous studies have shown that the average hand size of orthopedic surgeons is larger than that of a general surgeon, but the literature search found no studies assessing the physical strength or intelligence of orthopedic surgeons. Therefore, the orthopaths set out to study if the claims of their stupidity are justified. Unfortunately, in preparation of their studies protocol, they could not find a cohort of willing oxen as a control group. But given that the stupidity claims is so popular among anesthesiologists, the orthopedic surgeons designed a study to compare the hand grip strength and intelligence between the two study groups, orthopedic surgeons and anesthesiologists. And indeed, in 2011, the study compared the strength and intelligence of orthopedic surgeons and anesthesiologists in 3 distinct general hospitals in UK. By the way, a number of anesthesiologists chickened out and declined the participation in the study, whereas all orthopedic surgeons participated in the study. The hand grip strength was assessed using a dominant hand and a calibrated Jamar hydraulic hand dynamometer. The intelligence was measured by using a widely accepted instrument, the intelligence quotient, and by definition, the median IQ of the general population is about 100 and a standard deviation is about 15. So for an effect size of a 10-point difference in IQ, the study included 36 participants in each group. In short, orthopedic surgeons were found to have a significantly higher mean grip strength and a significantly higher mean intelligence score than the anesthesiologists. The difference in intelligence scores between groups was unexpected. The orthopedic surgeons had predicted that the anesthetists might outperform the orthopedic group as the intellectually challenging activities such as crosswords and Sudoku are popular among anesthesiologists. Here's my interpretation. The study concluded that the stereotypical image of male orthopedic surgeons as strong as an ox but half that smart is not justified, at least not in comparison to anesthesiologists. Based on the study data, I would suggest that anesthesiologists should be more careful in making fun of orthopedic surgeons, or risk a witty reply from their intellectually sharper colleagues, or even a crushing handshake at their next encounter. I personally love our colleagues on the other side of the blood-brain barrier, particularly orthopedic surgeons. I think that they are some of the hardest working and smartest cats anywhere. And feel free to post some well-intended jokes about doctors on our community feed, and be sure to subscribe and not miss our future videos. Peace.